Yep, sanibonani guys. Please like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel bafethu. Yeah, bafethu lona uHelman Mkhelele. Helman Mkhelele i-Pirates legend bafethu. Manje usebenza noHugo Bruce. Uyi-assistant yaKaHugo Bruce. The reason why uLodge angekho ku-national team. The reason why uLodge angekho ku-national team. Yeah, apparently Innocent Mdletshe uthe it's alleged. Once you leave i-Pirates, you'll never play for Bafana Bafana ever again. Once you leave Pirates. That's why aboNkotha. You see Nkotha, abantu bazothi hawu uNkotha uhambile ku-Pirates mara usadlala. Yeah, it's because Pirates made money ngoNkotha. Yabo? It made money ngoNkotha. Yes. And i-agreement yonke into ivume yi-Pirates bengavunywa uNkotha. So abanye amanye ama-player abo-Teko Mlise, abo-Thembi Nkosi-Lorch, uhambile uLodge but azange ahambe ngesandla esikahle ku-Pirates yabo, azange ahambe kuthanda i-Pirates. Noma imthengisele i-Sundowns but bengana-choice ukuthi ingayenzani, befaneke imthengise kuleya situation bekuyo yabo. So i-Pirates ayizange iyithande ukuthi uLodge uyala ukuvusa i-contract la uvuma ukuthi simthengise and simthengisa ngemali encane yabo. So that's why ungeke umbone uLodge ku-national team kunoMkhelele ku-national team. uMkhelele i-Pirates legend. They will never tell you about this. Ungangiphikisa uthi oh Namanga, they will never abantu ofuna bakutshela aboMazola, abobani bani, abo-Andile Ncube, they will never say it. They don't want to ruin i-relationship yabo nabantu abakhulu over a small thing yakaLodge yabo. That's the fact. Lodge ungasamboni la ku-national team. You can ask abo-Innocent Mdletshe, they will tell you ukuthi iciniso lena. Teko Mlise usuke ku-Pirates kwayenzekani, azange adlale kuBafana Bafana ever again. You can check ube hot ku-Sundowns uwine yonke into mara azange asadlala. Andile Jala azange asadlala. Just because usukile ethimini le ene-access ukubeka ku-national team. Danko bafethu.